TPR.
सुकरुक चुके हम नौजवान महंगाई में जुबान टक्कर ले अमर की ओर पर मांगे पंछी का
Oh no. Immediate lag shuru. What the fuck is happening?
Oh, what the fuck?
Huh. Khair, my video is synced. I don't use my video and the lag is only with me. So hopefully it will be
Yeah.
okay.
You want
Still-
to check ये recording बंद करके कि क्या scene है?
No, it's recording. There's just a huge
Okay.
lag. Oh god, it's so huge. But it's not तुम्हारी तरफ से, है ना?
Hopefully.
Yeah, like I'm just looking at you. Yeah. You're talking in time with your moving. So yeah.
When I tried.
What the hell?
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to TPR Pod episode number 256.
Yes.
I don't know, bro. matlab, this must be a big number episode.
Yeah, probably 125.
Wow. You've been doing this for a while, Ali. Tell us how you started.
Yeah, bus. Sometimes I wonder why. Kal parso hi I was talking to Gul and I was like, hi, yaar, bus. Sometimes I wonder kya fayda.
Yeah, like I was having that kya fayda moment just an hour ago
Oh, nice.
with Rizla,
Hmm.
our friend Rizwan.
friend.
And so he's alone in Islamabad for a few days. His wife and kid are in Lahore for some work. So वो आज सुबह ही वापस गया है. So I messaged him, WhatsApp पे. I'm like, yeah, मौसम कैसा है इस्लामाबाद में? Is it getting colder? And he's like, yeah, it's very pleasant and it's nice now. And I'm like, well, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Like, why did I even ask you this?
Udhi-
Like, खैर है.
उन्हीं सवाल पूछ के जवाब को devalue कर दिया.
Yeah,
खैर है,
and I'm like, तुम्हें भी क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Like, you're at home and I'm not in Islamabad, so मुझे भी क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Like, fuck it.
न्यूयॉर्क
And
में
then-
मौसम कैसा है?
न्यूयॉर्क में मौसम कैसा है आज? And then we were like, as many times this happens, we start talking about, yeah, क्या करें, Pakistan boring, let's कुछ travel काश हम कर सकते. So one of his brothers lives in Kenya, right?
Yeah.
And I'm like, यार हम केन्या क्यों नहीं जाते?
Why not?
And then he says, यार वो visa on arrival भी उन्होंने पाकिस्तानियों के लिए बंद कर दिया है. This happened like a week ago, where because of a lot of illegal Pakistanis landing there and
What?
hiding there. Yeah, so this was in the news, like they stopped giving visa on arrival. And then I said, well, e-visa ka scene to hoga. You could apply like an e-visa and go. He's like, yeah, I'm sure hoga. And then I'm like, well, fuck it. Kya fayda? Like, it's not like we're going. So
Yeah.
why even talk about it? मतलब हमने तो लाहौर इस्लामाबाद में ही रहना है,
Yeah. Also,
Yeah.
you're in Swat right now?
Mentally, maybe.
Yeah. Mentally, I'm Swat.
I'm SWAT cats.
Yeah.
Or I'm also a single guy for 2 days, like
Nice.
aaj aur kal.
Nice.
So
Ladies,
wifey.
you will see this several weeks after it's happened. Lekin, ladies.
Yeah, so sorry about that,
Yeah.
ladies. Or Palvasha is in Karachi for like this girl strip thing where a lot of photographers have gotten together, women photographers,
Yeah.
and they've all gone to Karachi
Lady
for
doctor.
like sorry, lady photographers. And they're doing like a food trip kind of thing. Like I'm calling it a food trip bar because that's all they will do in 2 days in Karachi.
Yeah.
2 दिन में आप वैसे भी क्या कर लोगे?
Yeah.
So I thought I'll do like a solo trip and I'll drive to Sawat and probably go to Malam Jabba and spend
Yeah.
a night there and then like drive to Kalam and maybe spend a night there and then drive back.
थके हुए हो गए आज फिर तो तुम.
हाँ मैं but then so 14th morning we start wedding shoots again, right? And today's the 11th. So 11th. So I just had like 2 nights to do this, right? Like aaj or kal, and then 13th I have to drive back. And then the drive from here to Malam Jabba is like 8 hours.
What?
Wahan se Kalam is like 3 ghante. And then wahan se wapsi would take me to Lahore again, like 10-11 ghante probably. That's considering if I didn't take a stop
Yeah.
for rest. So like
क्या फायदा?
एक पूरा दिन तो खाली ड्राइविंग का है. So
I mean, also once
like-
you drive like 10-11 घंटे, you're not going to be doing activities us din.
yeah.
So that's like 2 days gone.
And exactly. And then what activities are there to do in Malam Jabba? If it's not snowing, you can't ski. It's like green. So you know what a big skier I
Skiing तो
am.
आती है ना तुम्हें.
So I guess वही बात है कि क्या फायदा?
Yeah, क्या फायदा?
You know, प्लान मैंने बनाया, मैंने अपने ब्रदर इन लॉ से भी पूरा आइटिनरी ले लिया. ट्विटर पे दिस गाय वाज सुपर हेल्पफुल. ही सेंट मी अ डीएम विद लाइक अ hourly itinerary, like restaurant names and hotel name. He was on the way back from Sawat while he was sending me the DM.
Wow.
So it was very recent. He was already there. While
बताते हुए आ रहा था वो बस अभी
हाँ
चूल्हा बंद ना करना रिजवान आ रहा है.
So that was very helpful. And then he messaged me. He said, "यार तुमने मेरा shoot किया था 2 साल पहले. Do you remember?" I'm like, "Oh, okay."
Okay, चलो. Alright.
किया होगा.
Yeah.
तो he's a young guy. We did his O-level farewell shoot. So he's a pretty young guy.
Wow.
So young people do this shit. 1-2 दिन के लिए निकल जाते हैं कहीं, you know, सवात वगैरह. And so I got a lot of information from him and from some other people on Twitter who were there recently. और कल परसों बैठे हुए मैंने यही सोचा कि क्या फायदा है यार.
Yeah.
यार मैंने क्या कर लेना है.
The one time Rizwan got काम की जवाबात on Twitter.
Yep.
He's like, fuck it.
Yeah, fuck it. Like वो भी I got those जवाबात because I blocked replies to my tweet.
Excellent.
और तब भी there was this one guy who quote tweeted me.
Yeah.
And said I don't remember his exact words, but he said something ऐसा कि ऐसे भी चूतिए होते हैं, help मांगते हैं और replies block कर देते हैं. That is exactly why, motherfucker. Yeah, because of fucking idiots like you. मतलब
self-fulfilling
ना बात करो ना
prophecy.
मुझसे. Like हाँ, like we're not following each other. Why the fuck do you care? Just don't talk to me about it.
Bro, he was trying to save you, and you know वो drowning hand.
So and then so I had asked a lot of people or kuch WhatsApp वगैरह पे भी और Twitter DMs तो खैर. Then I wanted to go back to my messages on WhatsApp with my brother-in-law कि उसने मुझे क्या क्या बोला था, होटल का नाम क्या था, when I was planning this. तो मैंने WhatsApp search में सवात लिखा, right? और उसका वो you know search में उसका वो conversation आ रहा है. And apparently I had asked him the same thing like in 2019 and he had given me a same plan like 2019 में भी, and I still didn't go. So
2 years from now we'll do this again.
Yeah, we'll do this again. This is like Sawat World Series, Coronavirus World Tour, where that is why I didn't travel, because I don't want to take the virus to northern areas.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
all right. रुक गया उधर. And कल news में आ रहा होगा Corona defeated only in Swat.
Well, Corona update, guys. Punjab has defeated the virus.
Oh, has
they
it?
beat the virus, bro. Yeah, कोई सीन ही नहीं है मतलब.
Oh, अच्छा.
यहाँ तो वैसे भी नहीं आया था 2 साल पहले से.
हाँ.
But अब तो हम आने दे ही नहीं रहे. We're like नहीं, like fuck the virus. Virus हराम है. और इसका कोई सीन ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. Like they've reopened schools. अच्छा पहले ये कर रहे थे कि they opened schools and they were doing alternate days, like students को divide करके.
Right.
To control the strength of classes. तो आज से they've opened के full normal सारे आ जाओ.
पाकिस्तान में पढ़ाई पे बहुत फोकस है ना.
बहुत ज्यादा, because you know how educated we are and how we've achieved so much in the last
ये कॉन्फिडेंस भी हमें उसी एजुकेशन के थ्रू आया है.
Exactly. especially our boarding schools, like semi boarding like HSN या boarding schools like Chandbagh. मतलब क्या achievements, और उन्होंने कितना कुछ बनाया है दुनिया में ना. मतलब अपने बच्चों को अपने घर से दूर करके.
Yeah. HSN में you have to live at HSN if you're studying there.
You can. Everybody doesn't have to. It's like they say it's like a semi-boarding thing. So some people can choose to live on campus. That's what I think is accurate.
Yeah.
If an HSonian wants to correct me after listening to the spot, you can fuck off, right? So yeah. So because there is housing on the HSN campus,
drums,
and there is like a small market there and like shops and shit together.
Oh, okay.
And yeah.
I don't know if I've ever met an HSonian. I think I would remember because he would tell me.
Have you met a Fulbright scholar?
Fucking दूर से सिर्फ दिखे. वो तो even without meeting them,
Yeah. I had a few HSonian friends and acquaintances.
All dead now.
Like they did O levels once and they came for A levels to LGS. वगैरह. तो उस तरह I knew a few. Most of them were.
Would that be like a downgrade for them?
Yeah.
In terms of status.
I don't know. यार like फर्क क्या पड़ता है? Teachers तो दोनों जगह हैं. और मतलब in the end you just need a thappa, right, for international admissions. So if you get it from LGS, KGS, HSN, Lakas,
private,
Beacon House, like one of those elite institutions across Pakistan, आपको थप्पा ही चाहिए ना. Teachers तो आपके वही हैं जो government school में भी पढ़ा रहे हैं, जो यहाँ भी पढ़ा रहे हैं. Like Abrarul Haq used to teach at HSN, bro. Like come on. So
what did he teach?
I don't know, maybe physics or some shit, who knows.
I wonder, probably geography. He seems to be like a Pak studies kind of personality.
पता नहीं, Islamabad में आई है facts. So yeah. And then we had some HSonian teachers who were visiting teachers at LGS too. So, because money, right? So faculty, they were getting a lot of money. वो visiting faculty. 2 classes या 1 class पढ़ाने वो इधर आ जाते थे LGS, and then they would go back to HSN. और फिर शाम को they had their own academy और सारे students वहाँ भी पढ़े.
Yeah. Okay.
So a lot of money in this. Like so schools opened aaj again normal capacity pe, and I had to drop my 3.5-year-old bhanja to school. And I had forgotten how chaotic the whole pick and drop situation is schools ka.
Okay.
Because aap fees bhi paglon ki tarah to le loge, और बड़े-बड़े नाम and big ass campuses भी, like ये वाला LGS का campus बच्चों से लेके senior boys तक का है in Johor town. And it's huge. It's a big campus. Not maybe as big as a university, but it is a big campus.
Sure.
And it's in the middle of houses. like ये भी नहीं है कि वो it would be like on a main road और
Yeah.
आगे उसके पीछे घर हो. It's like ये घर है, घर का गेट है और यहाँ दुकानें हैं, तंदूर लगा हुआ है वो, and there's like a big ass building in the middle of all of them. और so it's a square campus, right? और वो सुबह के टाइम ड्रॉप या पिकिंग के टाइम पे भी that turns into like a one way square.
Okay.
So you enter from one place and you just have to
Keep following.
circle around the whole
Yeah.
building. और अगर आपको अभी मौका नहीं मिला है ड्रॉप करने का, so you have to like take the whole fucking round again because everyone's just honking और माँ बाप, कुछ लोग खुले दरवाजे से बच्चे फेंक रहे हैं, like nobody cares. Like, and then for like the tiny kids like my bhanja, for like preschoolers या first graders या जो भी, they have these men in LGS का वो शलवार कमीज और लोगो लगा हुआ, so they come and take the kids to the classroom from the car, so parents are not allowed to get out of the car and drop their kids inside वगैरह. So it was my first time dropping and I'm like, fuck this guy, ये क्यों हाथ पकड़ के लेके जा रहा है ना मेरे भांजे का.
Yeah.
I don't know, but apparently it was pretty normal because everyone was okay with it, everyone was doing it. और
3.5 साल का तुम्हारा भांजा स्कूल क्यों जा रहा है? I mean, I guess that's when I also started. Was it KG?
तो हाँ, like scene ये है ना कि कुछ बच्चों का like birthday ऐसा होगा कि if he doesn't go now, then next year he's too late to go.
उसके बाद why send him?
उसके बाद he's like, नहीं sir, sorry, अब आप पाकिस्तान के लिटरेसी रेट से बाहर हैं, मतलब अब why don't you like join politics or something?
Yeah, I was thinking about this when you said कि अगर drop ना हुआ बस घर, was that that's something, you're out, fuck off.
Yeah. I mean, you can't go to school, join PTI.
Yeah. तो स्वाद में कर लो ये बातें.
Youth wing. और
मेरा भी सवाल, why is he going to school? कौन सी क्लास? O levels थोड़ी कर रहा होगा, मतलब जाहिर है किसी बच्चों वाली क्लास में ही होगा.
So like when you and I probably started school, it was starting from kindergarten, right? KG and then probably KG2 या उसको prep भी बोलते थे, and then first grade, right? Yeah. So this बेचारा guy, like he had like a play group which is called यहाँ पाकिस्तान में पहले. So that was last year. He was not even 3. He was like almost
his parents
3.
really wanted कि हाँ जाओ बस.
Yeah. He's conceived in a library, bro. Like who knows? So
हमारा बच्चा पढ़ेगा regardless. No consideration about anything else.
Exactly. And the poor kid, like I feel very emotional when I was dropping him. Like, so I have memories of dropping my first bhanja, who's now 16. So that was when he started school. I remember like I cried at the gate. I was like, "Bechara," you know. He was turning around and waving and saying, "Nahi jana mujhe." I was like, "Oh God, how do parents do this?" Leave their kids वहाँ पे. तो आज भी मुझे similar feelings हो रही थी बेचारा. Like he was very confident in the car, and when the guy came to take him गाड़ी से, that LGS logo वाला बंदा.
Yeah.
So
was it his
he was
first
belted. नहीं, it was. So he's been going like वो ऐसे होता था twice a week.
Okay.
Or so now he'll have to go every day, बेचारा, which was the norm pre-COVID. So yeah,
Rose school
fuck your privilege. Rose school जाना. So when the guy came to take him in the car, तो उसकी belt उतारी, वो seat belt, and he's like सीधा बैठ गया ना एकदम ऐसे. He's like not looking at the guy, not looking at me. Like, oh God. But it's not easy. So
wow.
Heads off to parents for sending the kids to school.
I heard for the first time that video on Twitter गलती से volume button दब गया था मुझसे. Prove me wrong.
Oh my God.
For the first time, I was like, "Kya? Oh, acha, this is." at my first exposure to somebody actually saying it like that. Proof.
Yeah,
I
prove
was
me
like,
wrong.
wow. It's like that guy who quote tweeted your tweet with bullshit. It's like,
Yeah.
nahi samajhte.
Yeah, bro. Matlab, I really hate Pakistani men. Matlab,
Yeah.
if that's what we're talking about. Yeah.
Huh.
Matlab,
Sure. I mean, that's what we all end up talking about, Hamisha. But yeah, abhi bhi, still.
like I was having this conversation kal about you know how
Bhikari.
wo bhi, of course.
Cursed
You know,
conversation.
So you know, we know a lot of people in our life. We're
Yeah.
fucking old. We're
We know so
35
many
and-
people.
and we know a lot of people.
Yeah.
And like friends, acquaintances, jo bhi. And there are a lot of single people too, hamari age ke or whatever. And there might be, I know a few women like in Lahore, unke friends are trying to, you know, hook them up with other men.
Sure.
And maybe and not like a fling is umar mein kaun karta hai, like, you know, it's like yaar shayad shaadi ho jaye, you guys can get to know each other and stuff. And I was like, yaar, who the fuck will these women get hooked up with for a marriage? Like,
Yeah.
ये कौन मर्द हैं? Like,
Because if the guy is single ab tak, he's fucked.
yeah, he is definitely.
Uska bad scene hai.
Definitely. And then I started thinking about this, like वो conversation ऐसी ही बन रही थी कि I've met so many दूल्हे, right, in my life
professionally.
So professionally, and they're at their wedding and they're still lushing, like
The first
there's-
one was also a lush.
yeah.
Sorry, inside
He-
joke. Sorry.
he still looked a bit happy on his wedding day,
Yeah.
वगैरह, like,
Yeah.
you know,
A
it was
shocked
nice.
sort of happiness.
Yeah, but there are so many dule I meet who are like there's no humor, there's no way to carry a conversation.
Yeah.
उनके आपस में भी या मेरे साथ भी या जो भी, like बात हो रही हमेशा just talking about factories and गाड़ियां and ज़मीनें, even with me, like, so when like Palvasha is doing bridal portraits अलग से ले जाके, so the grooms generally they take a break 5-10 minute का, they'll have a smoke with me, side में खड़े होंगे, and it's always just so basic, सारी बातें, and if I try to be funny,
They
तो
won't get
it's
it.
like
Yeah.
कुछ समझ नहीं आया, like यार, and these are apparently पढ़े लिखे people that I'm
Well-to-do.
talking about, right?
I mean, if they've hired
Yeah.
Rizwan and Palvisha, they have to be.
And also the women that I'm talking about, my acquaintances together, they're all like working women and independent. They make money, they're educated, they've traveled, they are traveling, plans and life ke and all of that. So are these the men that we're trying to hook them up with, bichare, to talk about what, like आजकल कार लोन पे इतना इंटरेस्ट है आजकल, यार, like, मतलब जमीनों का आजकल बैलेटिंग हो रही है, और आओ मैं तुम्हें अपनी
this is the
factory visit
Pakistani, this is the Pakistani path to success. And
Yeah.
I mean, they've been trained to be this way कि हाँ गाड़ी लेनी है, घर लेनी है, फैक्ट्री चलाना है, ये वो, बहरिया टाउन, all this. Like,
yeah, and
there are no
that's
interests.
fine, and मतलब that's also okay.
No, it's not
like,
fine. नहीं. We're
नहीं,
not,
as in
not excusing
as
that.
in if that was part of your life,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
success, whatever definition you have of it, you're running after that, or like a career path and making money, that's part of my life too, you know. I try to make money, I try to work, वो सब सही है, but then I have time, I watch TV shows, I listen to music, yeah, I don't know, any tiny interest that you can connect with someone on a level that I can, like, you and I became friends fucking 10 years ago, we would have had stuff to talk about, apart from plot or गाड़ियां, and like वो भी होगा, but
सरखेल होता ना तो
shit.
इस मोमेंट पे बहुत खुश होता. I know what you had to talk about. He's dead, unfortunately, but you know, agar
Yeah,
hota,
Sakhel, rip.
rip in peace.
Or
But
I
हाँ,
don't
they
know,
don't have
man.
any Pakistan mein. There is no. I mean, क्या hobby होगी? Like there's no music everywhere. Like culturally, there's no
Yeah,
music,
yeah,
movies, TV, drama, entertainment. कहीं जाएं तो कहाँ जाएं? You know, that sort of
exactly.
thing.
और अगर अगर ये exposure मिल भी रहा हो to men and women on like a local masses level, तो and if people start enjoying it,
Yeah.
तो नफरत आ जाती है ना, लाइक वो क्यों, मतलब अगर अगर नाच रहे हैं लड़के कहीं सड़क पे, ए देखो कंजरानू नाच रहे हैं,
Yeah.
मतलब
Yeah.
अगर अगर किसी चीज को एंजॉय करना शुरू हो जाए, ए देखो वेले पूरा दिन
Yeah.
फिरते टुरते रहने, मतलब
We've
यार
been
let them
we've
have fun.
we've been conditioned
Yeah,
to hate fun.
exactly.
Like fun is
Like
bad.
so not tooting my own horn is pure conversation. I'm not like that kind of a Pakistani man, you know. I'm a
Yeah.
fun
Yeah.
guy.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me know क्या
Or
कहना है.
like,
मैं टूट लूंगा.
like, so I've met a lot of my cousins who got married in the last few years, and
Yeah.
a lot of ladkiyan and my cousins who got married, like arranged marriages, and I met their husbands at like या वो मेरे घर आए या हम उनके घर पे मिल लिए या किसी शादी पे मिल लिया,
Yeah.
and all of them, all the fucking men were like, एक तो गुस्से वाली शक्लें, serious, अस्सलाम वालेकुम कैसे हैं आप, हाँ जी, और आप क्या करते हैं, काम कैसा चल रहा है आज, मतलब it's just
Nothing. Dead.
and then and I'm sitting with their fucking ससुराल वाले and having a laugh and like गपशप चल रहा है और you know चीजें डिस्कस हो रही हैं, हंसी मजाक चल रहा है, and then I think क्या मतलब हम लोग तो सही है यार, मतलब
I mean, not say. I would say we're like some of the best people we know.
well, of course.
Yeah, but you know, I mean, it's वही वाली बात है कि we're just exceptional. लेकिन if you ask these guys, what do you do for fun? I don't think
Yeah.
they would have an answer. Like,
कुछ भी नहीं.
हाँ.
Oh, I had this this opportunity to ask this question.
हाँ.
So 2 years ago, 2 साल पहले, I was doing another project with a ride hailing company. अच्छा, जो 2018 में हमने उनके साथ काम शुरू किया था, 2019 was like the last I worked with them. और उसमें we went to Islamabad and I had to like interview not interview, they were like these prompt questions जो होते हैं ना.
Yeah.
So मुझे एक पेपर दिया गया कि हर ये ड्राइवर, कैप्टन, whatever term people are using आजकल for cab drivers, pilot, आप इनको ये सवाल पूछना, and then the way I do portraits, right?
Yeah.
They're all natural गपशप के दौरान. So I was given like a list of questions कि आप ये पूछो तो शायद ये इसमें थोड़ा हंसेंगे या बात करेंगे, then you can take photos वगैरह. And they were around 30 people that I was doing this with. And उसमें एक सवाल ये था कि आप अपने फारिग वक्त में क्या करते हैं. Nobody had a reply for that, apart from one or two. Like उनका ये था कि हम क्रिकेट खेलते हैं या, and all of them were like, अच्छा जब आप टैक्सी नहीं चला रहे होते आप अपने फारिग वक्त में क्या करते हैं, घर पे होते हैं, बच्चों के साथ होते हैं. अच्छा नहीं, मतलब बच्चों के साथ आप क्या करते हैं, खाना खाते हैं घर पे, और यार मतलब.
So this is like a not even के गरीब लोग don't have the capacity to enjoy themselves.
Yeah.
पहले you were talking about गाड़ियों वाले, factory वाले.
Yeah.
They also don't do anything. So what a dead. Again, we're just amazing. It just reinforces.
It's horrible. And जो थोड़ा बहुत अगर कहीं था एंटरटेनमेंट के लोग कुछ और भी जिंदगी में कर लें, वो भी हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता मार देंगे, like on an institutional level.
हाँ.
constitutionally हम लोग मार देंगे and
Constipation.
yeah.
We will.
मतलब we're just waiting for this to happen.
पाकिस्तान की म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री क्यों नहीं? All questions, all discussions lead to this.
Exactly. And then you think अच्छा चलो कुछ लोग कुछ कर लें, म्यूजिक बना लें and movies and but then क्या फायदा?
क्या फायदा? अच्छा तुम वो ले रहे हो 9 लाख का कुर्ता रास्ता I was like,
I don't
some comma decimal कुछ आगे पीछे हो गया.
Yeah.
No.
I didn't fully understand the concept. Like, why was it like an NFC?
NFT.
Sorry, NFT.
You get something
thing,
with it
like,
as well. Like it's the kurta, and the kurta is real. You know that would be amazing.
Yeah, that'd be crazy. Yeah, but remember how Gucci did this like 2 years ago, where they they launched these augmented reality sneakers.
Or kapde also, where you owned that AR joda or something, and you could take a picture of yourself in it, and nobody else would have it without
exactly. And you were paying for that shit, and it was only
for
digital.
a filter, basically, a glorified filter.
Exactly. So,
I mean,
our
get there.
Local,
but we do have a topic, which was your topic from a few days ago, about hair salons and Nike dukane, and you said Parvasha had something. And all
did you
that.
get any stories?
Yeah, we did get some stories. Yes.
Yeah, let's talk about them. Yeah.
नहीं तो पहले आप जरा अपनी story तो बताएं.
अच्छा. Yeah, मेरी story इतनी weird है. Like अच्छा वो मेरी भी नहीं है. So it's Parvasha's story. So 2 days ago we like once or twice a month we do like a spa day thing where we spend all day. मैं अपने जगह एक चला जाता हूँ for like a manicure, pedicure, massage, haircut, दाढ़ी, all of that. Parvasha goes to this other place, and then we regroup after the end of the day, and we're like, अच्छा. So परसों वो हुआ, and I picked her up, and she's like, यार, I just don't understand the kind of conversation this auntie was having with the hairstylist. And I'm like, I've heard a lot of अमीरों की conversations वगैरह. They weird होती हैं, you know, या बहुत privilege आ रहा होता है, या you know, like you've been to barbershops. We talk a lot with our barbers. I don't know why. Like, I'll be discussing my relationship shit with my barber. पता नहीं ऐवी मुंह से निकल आएगा. हाँ, बस क्या करें, शादी हो गई. और तो so I'm like, अच्छा, what kind of a weird conversation? She's like, yeah, it's just weird. I can't make sense of it at all. Like what did it mean? So the hairstylist, this guy was cutting auntie के बाल, और बाल जमीन पे गिर गए, और जब her session was done तो वो बाल उठाने लगा जमीन से. So the auntie says के thank you so much, तुम मेरे बाल उठा रहे हो जमीन से, you know. And the guy says नहीं, ये मेरी job है, मैं ही उठाऊंगा. And then the auntie says, हाँ वैसे बालों में बहुत ताकत होती है.
Oh no. She was a black magic. Oh no.
I have no idea what that means.
Samsung की story सुनी तुमने? Before he made TVs and phones, he was a really strong guy with long hair. उसकी सारी ताकत उसके बालों में थी. Yes.
So, I don't know, bro. मतलब, so that just got me thinking. I've heard a lot of weird shit too at barbershops. Like there was this one place I used to go during my teenage, Dubai mein. It's Pakistani barbershop, like most of them.
This is the place where the guy was talking about how hot his mom used to be.
Oh yeah, this is the place where one of my older friends was saying, "Yeah, मेरी अम्मी इतनी प्यारी है कि वो पूरा मोहल्ला उनके पीछे भागा करता था," and everyone's like, "Wow, bro." अच्छा, तो उस पे like the barbers were saying वो मेले, जो कि now I think शायद मैं भी वैसा ही हूँ, हम भी सारे वैसे ही हैं. I was too young at that time. I was like 14, 15. I was like, ये कितनी गंदी बातें कर रहे हैं. So like वो बाल
now you appreciate के दौरान.
now I'm like, yeah, bro, मतलब you're living a life, yeah, थोड़ा मस्ती तो कर रहे हो. You're not some fucking lash.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
उस time they used to watch Baywatch on TV during like the haircutting thing.
Of course.
Of course. Or they wouldn't actively watch it. मतलब वो आता था ना उस time Star TV पे or something.
Yeah.
So वो मैं बैठा हुआ उस दौरान वो लग गया है TV show on TV. And they're like, hi. ए वेख के ते तबीयत fresh हो जाती. And it's just that line that has stuck with me for so many years. Like,
I've heard
oh,
you say it
God.
several times.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what stories did we receive?
Amazing. Well, the first story we got was from our actual friend Imad. So you know it's gonna be hella weird and melly.
Imad. Acha, oh, Imad.
Yeah, Imad Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
His
Thank you for the
story-
camera, Imad, again.
His story starts in already outside of bounds, but bro, not in hair salon, but we were playing a football match once. The ball went behind the goal and I went to get it. To पीछे एक दरख्त था. उस दरख्त के नीचे एक नाई का setup था, and a guy was getting his armpits shaved. Like,
Whoa.
both his hands in the air, kameez over his head, and just armpits out.
Both in the air. दोनों एक
But time नहीं था ना. Like I was telling you, like
my
homeless
God.
people are all the busiest people. It seems always rushing.
Oh my God. Acha.
Yeah. Then another friend of the podcast, Ikrash, young Ikrash, he said, so the barber went to the room at the back of the shop to get the replacement blade, and when he came out, uske paon ki jagah horse ke paon aa gaye the. Jinn story in a nice story.
What?
I don't know what this means, but I'm like, okay.
What the fuck?
Actually now I'm thinking there might be some, if you're hearing this, which is
Yeah.
dubious at best, but I think there is some jinn story connection with, घोड़े के बाल काटना, घोड़े के पैर बाल काटना, something like that. Just write into us. आप खत हमें यूं
Wow.
लिख के भेजें. और
Yeah, comment below.
yeah, also, yeah. But
Wow.
horse,
बालों की ताकत, bro.
horse के पाँव थे. He didn't even say घोड़ा.
Horse.
Horse. Nazar.
Horse.
Nazar, and then Nazar commented, and then immediately after his brother commented something that was so close that I thought कि ये एक ही story है. Nazar कहता है कि barber messed up this dude's cut, and they both decided the Ghajni cut was the only solution. ठीक है? Nazar ने ये बात लिख दी. उसके बाद his brother Bashar comes in and he says his first haircut in Canada. Mamu took me to some cheap ass Asian barbershop. He specifically asked the barber for no machine. Barber only understood machine. I'm telling you, it's the same story.
Oh shit. Yeah, वैसे I could also only go for a Ghajini cut at this point in my hair life. Yeah.
तुम tattoo भी करना शुरू कर लो. Like things to remember.
Yeah.
Client, like, this fucker didn't pay me. X. Yeah.
Payment से चलो.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, we will talk about उड़ते हुए चमगादड़.
Yeah. Ushna said that.
Yeah.
Matlab, this I'm surprised at. She said the parlor auntie waxed off random auntie ke sar ke baal because she
What?
refused to pay what was due.
Holy shit. Oh fuck, that reminds me of a salon story.
Okay. Is it horrible?
Where it was weird when we encountered this for the first time.
Fun now.
So apparently now we're like, sahi kiya tha. So there's this one salon, very famous in
Okay.
Lahore.
Yeah.
For bridal makeup. And unki like senior makeup artist is on very good terms with us because she's been seeing us for 5-6 saal. We go there for like getting ready,
Yeah.
photos and all of that. So एक दफा वहां पे, so all these bridal makeup salons, they have these packages
Yeah.
where you have to tell them पहले कि ये आपके शादी का कौन सा दिन है,
Yeah.
और उस हिसाब से वो पेमेंट पैकेज होता है. So if it's a nikah, there's a cheaper makeup
Yeah.
package. If it's
Yeah.
mehndi, it's a price. If it's a barat walima, then that's the full
Yeah.
price wala package, because that's more makeup involved and all of that. So apparently, if you lie to them, that's not acceptable at all.
Right.
And there was this bride getting ready wahan, and she had told them कि मेरी मेहंदी है, और they so she had paid for like a light makeup session. And then after her makeup was done, जब उसको पिक करने आने लगे थे, तो उसने फोन पे बोल दिया कि पता नहीं दूल्हा सेहरा बंदी के लिए गया हुआ है, तो बारात शायद थोड़ी लेट हो and all that, और उन्होंने सुन लिया, and they washed off her makeup.
Wow.
That was so fucking weird.
Holy
man.
shit. Like how क्या पकड़ के?
They're like, मतलब वो फटा पड़ गया कि नहीं, we can't let you go. या तो you pay more, और
Yeah.
pay more भी ये कि now we don't have an artist available जो आपका ये सारा कुछ वापस करे. So there's no option of even paying more. So sorry. Remaining
even-
payment भी रहने दो.
Even before they washed it off, they didn't
Yeah.
offer extra payment का option.
Like they probably did. मुझे भी पूरी तरह याद नहीं आ रहा है. And they're
Also,
like,
I'm just thinking someone just runs out with a bucket and like
yeah.
go fuck yourself.
और like फटा पड़ गया, and then we realized that that's a real thing. So salons are
Wow.
very iffy about this, where they're
Hardcore.
like, I don't know how ethical that is, but
I mean, it's like आप भी तो चोरी कर ही रहे हो ना by lying to them. Like
yeah,
in the
yeah,
sense
yeah.
कि, you know, don't या तो find a cheaper salon, but like
Yes,
if
that
you-
is the point that I thought about too. कि
हाँ,
कि देखो वो डिबेट बाद की है कि मेरी मर्जी है, मुझे लाइट मेकअप चाहिए अपने बारात,
yeah,
तो मैंने कम वाला पे करके करा लिया.
yeah. No, you could
But
have
then
you could
yeah.
have told them the truth also and insisted on a light makeup.
Exactly. And if they still don't want to do it, उनकी policy है जो भी है, that's their call, bro. मतलब आप कोई और जगह ढूंढ लो ना, तो आप कोई Nikki's salon चले जाओ, और like
Yeah, because
quarter of
Pakistan
the price
also
में
like
Yeah.
what's the salon going to do to prevent this? But this
Yeah.
story will have spread. Like you're telling me
Yeah.
now.
yeah,
and,
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
no one's
And there were
gonna-
other, because the salon like bridal ke ilawa, a lot of famous women are there like getting stuff done. A lot of people witnessed this.
Wow.
People that knew us, or it was really weird, man. We're like, oh my god.
Were you there
ये
to
कैसे-
photograph her?
नहीं.
Oh,
नहीं. There was some other bride.
yeah.
So हमारी bride
उसने
भी
extra पैसे दे दिए मेरी चौथी शादी है ले ले Fucking
Yeah,
hell. I mean,
man.
hardcore, but like
And
also
again, I haven't named the salon, but still, that salon, they're very nice in general. Where I've gotten
मेकअप अपना
like-
भी कराया हुआ तुमने मैं भी दुल्हन के साथ
like my sister went there for her wedding, my friends' wives went there, and because the artist knew us,
yeah
so she gave us like a special discount 6 months before the booking, like before the
Wow.
day, like when we were booking, she was like, "Haan, is pe like 30% off le lo," like a big discount. So yeah, they're nice if you ask for shit politely, but agar aap deceive kar rahe ho,
शानेबाजी का तो फिर यही होता है ना
yeah, matlab fuck around, find out.
yeah fuck around and find out
Yeah.
she found out back to the stories Sarah
Yeah.
Akhtar, she said that I said to her, give me a bob cut. This is a very Pakistani story. I said to her, give me a bob cut, and she replied, you won't like it. But I still insisted on getting a bob cut, but she just trimmed it and said कि और नहीं कट सकते गंदे लगेंगे Like, just give me what I asked, not your stupid advice. Bro, this is such a Pakistani thing. Idhar Ireland mein, Pakistan embassy in Ireland.
एक सेकंड सॉरी
Rizwan has lost his ear.
हाँ
Yeah, सारी काम की बातें कर ली मैंने. Ireland में the Pakistani embassy, this friend of mine is like, मैंने passport renewal के लिए apply किया. And I'm like, give me like a 10-year passport ताकि फिर मैं बार बार ना कर. That guy नहीं 5 साल क्या करोगे इतना travel करके? Like, this is the embassy motherfucker saying this. Like, he probably had to do something extra that he just did not want to. बहस ये कुत्ते होते हैं पाकिस्तानी. I'm sure other people are also doing this, but we know Pakistani, so fuck all of them.
Yeah, we know our people really well. मतलब ये this applies everywhere. Like advice देना शुरू हो जाना या salons के बाहर. Like यार मैं fucking jockey के store गया हूँ, चड्डियाँ देख रहा हूँ, बंदा मेरी पे बैठ गया है आके, सर ये वाला अच्छा लगेगा. तूने देखना है मुझे पहने हुए. What the fuck?
सर ये आपके लिए बहुत बड़ा है.
नहीं एक तो मतलब जॉकी का स्टोर भी मेरे बाथरूम जितना बड़ा है. अच्छा इट्स अ टाइनी फकिंग स्टोर.
Appropriate.
या एक उसमें वैसे ही आपको ऑकवर्ड महसूस हो रहा है, you know, और सर सर क्या लेंगे, क्या खरीदेंगे आज? मतलब यार अपना काम करो ना यार.
सर आप इतनी जल्दी वापस आ गए? Okay, man.
Oh god. Yeah. Next, do we have more stories?
Yeah, we have more. Shahriyar has sent the longest fucking story. He sent like, how many messages are these? 6, 7, 8, 9 message ki story hai. This one guy, what is happening? This one guy puts multiple clamps and takes their time starting with the cut. When asked about the delay, he just casually says, "Sir, koi jaldi nahi hai, aaram se karenge," and continues to use his tablet while I just try and make sense of that. He goes on to tell me he's worked at Bowl, etc. while I'm just sitting there. Eventually, I just take the clips off, thank him, and leave.
What?
Also, they apparently had a class B, class C, class D haircut. First time I'd heard of that stratification. Matlab, bhai, just say these are the ranges. Why put a class stamp on it? Sir, ये third class ले ले आप, अच्छा रहेगा. आपके लिए इतना ही काफी है. Yeah. This fucking shit. Jaldi kya hai? Once, this guy was dropping me home. I remember in Abu Dhabi. And we sat in his car. And gaadi on karke na. You know, like, I'm not impatient, but वो वाली जो lethargic slowness जो होती है ना, उससे मुझे इतनी आग लगती है कि I want to murder people.
Yeah,
and this guy,
bro, same.
हाँ, मैं बैठ गया, मैं passenger seat में बैठ गया, I start की, now we're just sitting, and I'm like, क्या हुआ? What's happening? I thought he was waiting for something. He was waiting for the car to heat up. His 2015 top of the line Kia Optima. I was like, what? And I told him, nahi, iski zarurat nahi hai. I mean, you know, this is a modern car. You don't need to do this. Also, it's Abu Dhabi. Kitni thand thi baar jo tum apni gaadi heat karni thi. And he's like, no, koi jaldi hai kya? I was like, what the fuck, bro? Like, do you want to have sex with me? What is happening? What's slow motherfucker. Mera dost jo hai, he does this thing, and also because I've said it to him, I think now he does it to piss me off, and it always pisses me off. He walks really slowly. I can't walk slowly. I'm not in a rush. I just walk pace. Okay? Itni dafa hua tha when I moved here. We're going to the same location. I'm like, I turn around, he's not there.
Wow.
Now I'm waiting for this piece of shit. क्या वो जिन तो नहीं आ गया?
I don't know. ठा करके आवाज आई है.
I heard it also. Yeah. Probably something hitting the window or something. But like a कीड़ा or something. अच्छा खैर ना.
White चमगादड़.
Horse वाले पाँव. This bugger आहिस्ता ना छोटे steps लेते हुए आ रहा है. And I'm like, I'm just, देखते हुए आ रहा हूँ. Like, there's nothing to see. We live here. एक दफा मैं फोन पे था. and he's
Yeah.
रात को ना, and we were like in this 1-bedroom apartment. So I used to live in the living room appropriately, and he had the bedroom. The कपड़े टांगने वाला rack was in the living room, कुछ जगह वहां थी. अब मैं लेटा बिस्तर पे बात कर रहा हूँ, कपड़े धुल गए इनके, अभी आके ना कपड़े टांग. Like it got to the point where I broke through my frustration and I started laughing. Kid, this has to be a joke. Like you can't be
God.
seriously like this. नहीं, मैं क्या जल्दी थोड़ी हुई.
Bro,
एक-एक
मतलब
मोजा जो है ना वो एक-एक you करके I wanted to like stuff it in his mouth. You know? यहाँ dry हो जाएगा. Shit.
Yeah, people are unbearable.
Oh, bro, it's horrendous. It's horrendous. Like, I don't know, maybe it's a young person thing, but I can't stand loud people anymore. Like, people who are just like, motherfucker, this is like a public place. मेरे शीशे वाली जगह पे आते हैं ना, and there's
Oh,
like
God.
young people, old people, ये वो a mix. And then a group will come, and they are so happy. They're always Indian. Fuck you. Not always.
Yeah.
But oh my god.
नहीं, always Indian. Yeah.
विदेशियों से जो
And
मुझे
playing
नफरत होती है,
Bollywood music loud on their phone.
they do, and then this is a
Yeah.
very Indian thing to do, or Pakistani female thing to do. Women who have gone to all girls schools sing along. Like, कुत्ते के बच्चों, this is not your house. There are
Yeah.
other people here as well. Like sing
And then
along.
singing खत्म होके गाना खत्म करके woo!
I think I get this from my dad because the woo reminds me that he hates it so much.
I
Like he
fucking
hates
hate it.
wooing, even on TV. He hates it. Like कोई award show आएगा ना, and Pakistani love woo, like unachieving motherfuckers getting Lux style awards. जिंदगी में कुछ
Oh,
उखाड़ा नहीं,
God.
award पे award, and they do the woo and मैं हाँ ये बहुत जरूरी. And I can just feel the toxic energy inside.
बर्दाश्त नहीं होता यार. Like every मेहंदी we cover, it's like हर डांस के दौरान, उसके स्टार्ट में, उसके एंड पे
How many? Answer this honestly. You've done how many weddings? 300, 400?
How many events?
Yeah, Mehndis specifically.
Probably 300, 250, 300. Yeah.
How many of them have had good dance performances?
20 maybe.
Bro, people on social media put up dance practice की videos and उससे देख के मुझे पता चल जाता है कि final product भी shit होगा.
Yes. I don't even know how to dance.
Yeah.
But अगर मुझे कभी जरूरत पड़ी है, I'm just so into it. Like, you know, नाचने का मौका मिला है यार, मतलब अपने चेहरे पे कोई खुशी ले आओ. But वही लाशें.
And the guys are so bad. Like they're like, bro, you are so bad कि you cannot not know कि you're shit. You should have just bailed. Like, just don't be there. But नहीं.
और फोर्स कर करके अपने वो फ्रेंड्स और कजिन्स को ये वो डांस रूटीन्स में डालेंगे. Like
20 किलो के कपड़ों में हिला जा नहीं रहा. Like, fucking
जो
hell.
तालियां भी सिंक में नहीं बजा सकते,
Bro,
like आपस में साथ.
That is such a failure of humanity. तालियां भी out of sync. Everyone's just clapping. You know, dance like no one's watching. That's the one thing that these guys learn from the internet.
Yeah.
Because no one should be watching your stupid dances.
We've seen a few like really good ones, and then it's always a surprise. We're like, oh wow, look at them.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
like say maze mein. Like there used to be this group of guys हमारे early days में,
Yeah.
and now they also got married वगैरह, तो अब वो इतना
Or
dance
dead.
practices और routines का scene they're लाशें now. So around 2015 2016 there was this group of guys जो हमें बहुत शादियों पे नजर आए.
Yeah.
So they were not hired dancers, but they were, you know, एक ही circle of
They
people.
had a lot of friends. Yeah,
जिनकी
okay.
They had a lot of friends. And ये 4 लड़के थे, 4 या 6 थे, like 3-4 लड़के थे. And bro, Oh man, मतलब fucking रणवीर सिंह
अच्छा
टाइप
अच्छा
लुक्स और फुल सेक्सी और मतलब फुल हीरो बॉलीवुड ना मतलब
और डांस भी अच्छा
ओ क्रेजी डांस
या
मतलब
ओके
fucking हवा में उड़ रहे हैं और पता नहीं
नाइस
क्या क्या सो दे वर रियली गुड और लाइक उस दौरान मैं थोड़ी सी तस्वीरें लेके मैं रुक जाता था कि आई वांट टू वॉच दिस fucking shit you know तो and now I don't
And
know
ये सुन के ना there might be some people who are like let them have fun like no motherfucker
fuck off this is not
if
fun
if we are watching we are part of this and we do not
exactly
want this to happen so
yeah
your fun is hurting people sane people
it's
so
also
once again
hurting professionals it's hurting professionals also like
yeah
when we get down to editing these photos and videos अच्छा तो मतलब नाचना होता है सनी देओल की तरह और वीडियो चाहिए होती है फकिंग K3G करण जौहर डांसेस वाली अच्छा ना अच्छा
why
और
did they
फिर
pat their head
या आई डोंट नो कोई स्टेप ये भी होगा some fucking
sure
what was
Chakravanda
that shitty fucking yeah fuck that song
yeah
also
yeah
और
Farooq Sutar dance to it yeah
and then they're like यार हमारी वीडियो वैसी नहीं है जो जैसी एक वो आपने पिछली बनाई थी और दिखाई थी
he's like bro
यार
same
वो लोग
camera same
मतलब
editor
या
you're the
या
problem
वो लोग जिंदा थे यू नो अब
अगली वाली पे और प्रैक्टिस कर लेना खैर खैर fuck that साद गौरी ने भी ये बात की थी ना on Twitter he's always quick to find something that everybody will take the wrong way he launched into this thing also against ye choreographed dances and it's
yeah
like just do a dance floor where people just come and
yeah
uchhal kood ke you know then who gives a shit and uske बाद खाना हो जाएगा and everyone will fuck off but when people are
yeah
sitting and you are the performance and you are shit from the day you decided that you will be dancing मतलब उस वक्त भी shit practice में भी shit कभी अच्छा डांस नहीं किया and again उस दिन भी shit तो like
yeah
woos
why
those woos are you know वो जन्नत में नहीं जाएंगे तुम्हारे साथ
बस it's and then इसका भी it's all so planned in a way कि वो डांस फ्लोर होगा और उस पे ये कोरियोग्राफ डांसेस होंगे and we ask them अच्छा कितने डांसेस हैं आपके
yeah always too many
and they're like yeah 40 डांसेस हैं like oh fuck अच्छा और and then उसके बाद there is a term for कि अब सारे बस फ्लोर पे आ जाएंगे नाचेंगे and it's called freestyle for some reason
that's
and they're
factually
like
technically theoretically incorrect in all
it is
parameters
yeah so that's what the accepted term is like at all weddings they're like ऐसे ये हमारा last dance है इसके बाद freestyle शुरू हो जाएगा okay उसमें भी and then like
इससे बेहतर
उसमें
तलाक हो जाए
भी
इससे बेहतर
उसमें भी we have issues
yeah
these are such tiny technicalities that people generally won't give a shit about but because we are photographers we see all of this and we're like gosh somebody could change this thoda bahut somebody could direct them so acha freestyle hai ek to Pakistanis love dancing in a fucking circle
yeah
I don't know why
yeah it's
like
the circle jerk na
yeah
our national dance
एग्जैक्टली अच्छा दे डांसिंग इन अ सर्कल तो जब हमें अर्ली डेज में ये रियलाइज हुआ था कि सर्कल अगर टूटा तो सारे मर जाएंगे इस शादी पे सर्कल तो
Yep.
जरूरी है
Lord of the Rings में हुआ था ये
तो या so we were like acha so now new technique we're going to be inside the circle
oh no
we won't photograph from outside the circle
अच्छा
क्योंकि फिर we can't see the bride and groom जो अंदर हैं we can't see the main people क्योंकि there's always people around them in a circle so we started going inside the circle लोगों ने circle छोटा करना शुरू किया मतलब हम अच्छा, so then जब ये होना शुरू होता है कि सर्कल छोटा हो रहा है, like अच्छा fuck, now we have to come out of the circle. सर्कल के भी साथ people are moving along in the circle, so you can take photos of the bride and groom बीच में, किसी का कंधा गुजर गया है, click click
Yeah.
click, दूसरा आ गया, click click, whatever. But Pakistanis have only one dance move in the circle, or Punjabis,
Yeah.
and it's haath upar. They're all just
Oi,
So there's-
oi.
yeah, and there is no way to take photos because सबके पास हाथ ऊपर है, and like यार क्या करें. अच्छा, अब फाइनली सर्कल थोड़ा सा खुल गया है, लोग थोड़े दूर हो गए, एक दो
Yeah.
लोग निकल गए, ब्राइड एंड ग्रूम ओ हमें नजर आने लगे, वो उधर मुंह करके नाचना शुरू हो गए. like, यार अब क्या. And
Drawn.
yeah, drawn on it, but of course we're a team of several people, so
Right.
we can only hope कि उधर जो खड़ा है उसको कोई shot मिल जाएगा. And then I'm running around the circle finding an access कि यार मैं वापस घुसूं इस circle के अंदर. It's, I don't know, man. Wow,
Such a unique and specific issue that
I know.
I mean, it's not like common issues कोई appreciate करता है पाकिस्तान में.
Yeah, but ये वाला तो किसी को समझ ही नहीं आएगा ना. और like the दूध पिलाई वाला scene,
Yeah.
there is a conflict of interest यहाँ पे, where for all parties involved, where you want to do your दूध पिलाई की रस्म, we
Yeah.
understand that you
Yeah.
are the guests, आपकी शादी है, आपने ये 45 मिनट की दूध पिलाई करनी है for some reason.
बहस आएगी
अच्छा,
पहले.
या मतलब और वो ग्लास आ रहा है, वो
Yeah.
ट्रे में उठा के लवली है, और ठीक है, दैट्स फाइन, और हमें इंटरप्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, इट्स योर वेडिंग. बट देन यू हायर्ड अस टू फोटोग्राफ ऑल ऑफ दिस, राइट? तो वी हैव टू कैप्चर ऑल ऑफ दिस, नहीं तो एंड में आप ही ने हमें बोलना है कि यार
Yeah.
वो ये
DP
फोटो नहीं थी,
DP की पिक्चर नहीं आई.
डीपी नहीं मिली हमें. तो मतलब अब अगर आप सारे खड़े हो गए हो ब्राइड और ग्रूम के सामने, so
ऐसे
how the
कैसे
fuck
आएगी?
do we take
Yeah.
how do we take photos and make videos of this? So then we started requesting people, यार आप सारे बैठ जाओ, आगे उनके बैठ जाओ. Foreign offended, आप साइड में यार. अब it's the wedding.
जाते हुए ना दूध गिरा दो. Fuck off. Go fuck yourself.
Yeah.
जमीन से चाटो. इसकी मैं तस्वीर ले.
The wedding is for both of us, for both parties. क्या करें? We've been hired to cover this. थोड़ा सा, coordinate करो आपस में. We thought of a plan of maybe teaching people how to do a दूध पिलाई in a more effective way, which seemed मेरे दिमाग में like a very good way of doing it.
Yeah.
So people watching this, if you're about to get married, maybe try this
Yeah.
at a दूध पिलाई, where I don't know how to explain it on video, but so this is the stage, right?
Yeah.
Or this is the दूल्हा दुल्हन बैठे
Right.
हुए, and आप यहाँ उनके सामने सारे बैठ जाते हो, and the stage is not कोई एक कनाल का घर, it's like a tiny fucking stage, right? तो
Yeah.
आप सारे अराउंड अगर बैठ भी गए हो, या कुछ खड़े होंगे, कुछ बैठ गए होंगे, हमें जगह नहीं मिल रही. Why don't you divide the chairs यहाँ और यहाँ रख लो for the दूध पिलाई, so that becomes a groom team and a bride team, because it's generally two teams doing the दूध पिलाई, right?
शादी के बाद भी यही होना है.
हाँ, exactly. So only with the दूध पिलाई, just move the chairs,
Yeah.
side में ले आओ,
Yeah.
and then both teams are facing each other. यहाँ सारे लड़की वाले आ जाएं, इधर लड़के वाले आ जाएं, and then we have room to move around,
Yeah.
and आगे
Yeah.
पीछे and everything, and that seems like more fun way of also, instead of them getting crowded around, और दूध भी गिरा हुआ है कितनी brides पे यार, oh my god,
Wow.
yeah, पूरा ग्लास गिरा हुआ है दूल्हा दुल्हनों पे.
Wow.
Why don't
Prematurely.
you just, Yeah. So try this, guys. Maybe this
ये
will be a more
हम ये
fun
clip
thing
हम
to-
शाया करेंगे हर जगह चप्पे चप्पे पे
Yeah.
make 2 teams. Yeah. Have you heard how's closing message? How's your diet going?
Yeah, it's going fine.
Yeah?
Like, yeah, it's more like a
Don't say it.
very calorie controlled
Acha.
thing. So
I thought you were going to say it's like lifestyle change. Yaar, bas, you
yeah,
know, it's all-
it's more of a lifestyle change. Yeah, I'm just not eating shitty things
Yeah.
anymore. Where like extra oil and carbs and all of that. I'm having everything, but
Thoda.
like instead of white atta, I've moved to whole wheat. I'm not having white bread. I'm not having like nashta mein char bread. I'm having one, that kind of a thing. Just a teaspoon of oil for
Right.
cooking stuff. More salads, more fruits. I'm snacking on fruits and nuts, vagera, which
Great.
I've never done. So that's
Yeah.
nice. So it's good. I've lost around like 3 kilos in like 10, 15, 14, 10, 12 days, which
That's
is nice.
Proper, yeah. And तुम्हारा तो वो भी नहीं होगा, water weight भी नहीं होगा, because like you're not on keto.
Agar water weight bhi gino, I've lost like 6. Yeah.
Best of it. Yeah.
Because like before starting the plan, I already quit everything or like for a week, and my bloating went away. Vagera, sab
Yeah.
wo water weight to tab
If
gayab ho gaya.
you lose like 20 kilos or something, do you
Yeah.
think your diabetes will go away?
I don't know.
Okay.
But
कभी हुआ ही नहीं. कभी ऐसा हुआ ही
nahi.
नहीं.
Yeah, considering like the lightest I've been, I was 83 kilos like last year,
Okay.
and I had stopped taking my medication.
Acha. Don't
But
do this
again-
without consulting a doctor.
Yeah, please. But again, that was on keto,
Acha.
so there was almost no carbs.
Yeah,
so इसलिए
insulin
it wasn't
scene था.
contributing to my blood sugar.
Yeah, this is what
So-
happened to Basma na abhi.
Yeah.
We went to Manchester. सरखेल होता था हम बात करते इस बारे में, but he's dead. खूब फोड़ा हमने मैनचेस्टर में, खा के बुरा हाल, because we're doing like keto is life. End of the month we'll do like a cheat weekend or ये वो. So this weekend was Manchester. और हो गया, फिर वापस आए Dublin and foreign से keto shoe. But what
Yeah.
Basma does not do is she does not make sure that there is enough fat and electrolytes. So what day was it? Friday, I think.
Yeah.
Oh भाई चक्कर खड़ा नहीं हुआ जा रहा है.
Yeah.
And I'm like, चलो, I guess she's dying. अब मैं एक और शादी करूंगा. तो खैर, but what
Yeah.
happened was when I looked it up कि वो keto flu वगैरह, मुझे तो कभी हुआ ही नहीं ना keto flu. 2-3
मुझे भी
दफा
नहीं.
हुआ है keto, and I've never had the thing. When I looked it up, dizziness or ye wo. So one of the reasons that I found that made sense and which also tracked with her recovery was that when your carbs drop, then your insulin also drops and your
Yeah.
kidneys just flush out water, electrolytes, वगैरह सब.
Yeah.
And without carbs, you have no sugar. So sugar crash bhi ho gaya aapko, electrolytes bhi chale gaye, and then you feel, dizzy, comes or low blood sugar,
Yeah.
jise kehte hain. And then she had something to eat during the day. Baaki sara din soti rahi. And like when she kept eating, ek din mein sahi set ho gayi. But
Yeah.
crash keto. Also, everyone we know here thinks like keto is like some mysterious thing. They're like, ये
नहीं, yeah.
diet जो है ना ये
Uh-huh.
सही नहीं है ये. I'm like, yeah, motherfucker. We're like, we can't
Yeah,
have
मतलब,
carbs. दाल बेच दी
Yeah.
I'm like,
Yeah, as long as you're doing it with good research and
हाँ, फाके ना
that
करो.
goes with doing anything with your body. Yeah. मतलब
Yeah.
अगर आपने weight gain भी करना है, there will be a plan that you will be following. People who are trying to gain weight, वो ऐसे तो नहीं gain करते कि मैं बस रोज सुबह उठ के 2 कीमे के पराठे और लस्सी पी लूंगा और मैं देसी घी पी रहा हूँ. There's like a plan that you follow.
Yeah,
So
if you want to be healthy about it.
Yeah. So I have done like no research wala keto also in my life, which was like an easy keto thing that I was doing, and I was miserable for like weeks. क्योंकि वही पूरा थकन हो रही है, एनर्जी लेवल जो सारे बोलते हैं वो बहुत हाई हो जाएगा, वो भी नहीं हो
कभी
रहा,
हुआ ही
कुछ
नहीं,
भी
हाँ।
नहीं हो रहा. Yeah, but then when I did it with proper research,
Yeah.
I lost good weight. I was having good or like pink salt use हो रहा है पानी में मिला के for
Yeah.
electrolytes and all of that. So
And you felt okay.
vitamins, I felt amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
This was 2019 wedding season where we were super busy and I never got tired or बहुत like fit scene था, no bloating, nothing,
Yeah.
वजन कम हो गया हुआ था, कपड़े
Yeah.
fit आ रहे थे. So hopefully again, but this time I just feel that I'm not in the right place to start keto again.
Keto का
It's
सबसे बड़ा
also
issue is it's like
yeah.
fucking inconvenient. Like
Yeah.
so much
Yeah.
of the world's diet, especially Desi and European, is carbs.
Yeah.
Like in Europe, they bake everything. Bread पसंद है, उसी तरह हम bread और चावल और आलू पसंद है. Also, I live in
Exactly.
Ireland, and these guys are made
Yeah.
of potatoes. And you know, alcohol पे इतना consumption, तो beer is all carbs, and
Yeah,
you know, like you're just cut from society in a way.
Exactly.
Yeah.
और फिर like मेरा ये भी था कि जैसे लाहौर में और कुछ भी है नहीं जिससे कोई मोटिवेशन जिंदगी में हो रही हो. You know, there's nothing
क्या
to
फर्क
do.
पड़ता है?
क्या फर्क पड़ता है? तो खाना भी छोड़ना पड़े एंड देन घर पे कुछ पकाने का भी दिल ना कर रहा हो, स्पेशल फूड बनाना है
Yeah.
और
Yeah.
ग्रोसरी स्पेशल करनी है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई वाज लाइक यार नहीं, आई विल जस्ट get help from a doctor and
Yeah.
just do it like a simple way, which is going to be slow weight loss, and that's
हाँ.
fine.
I mean, what do you have to rush for?
मुझे क्या जल्दी है
हाँ, हाँ.
You know?
No, the best diet, and this is advice for all watching who've made it this far, is one that
Yeah.
you can do safely, sustainably, consistently.
Yeah.
जल्दी वजन कम कर लोगे वापस आ जाएगा, and then you'll be doing it again. So you know, long term. ठीक है जी, thank you. That's your chalant advice for this week. मैं चलता हूँ, I have to have dinner.
Yeah.
And I don't know, we have to do this other episode. मैं बताता हूँ, मैसेज करता हूँ. अच्छा, आप उसकी बात
Yeah.
करें. Okay, bye.